Welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making potato salad sandwich. A simple and delicious sandwich with creamy potato salad and a flavorful dressing. Peel and cut the potatoes into small pieces. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the potatoes until soft. Drain the potatoes, return them to a pan, and cook for a minute to remove excess moisture. Boil the mixed vegetables separately and set them aside. I use frozen mixed vegetables including corn, carrots, and green peas. In a small jar, mix vinegar, sugar, salt, and oil. I use rice vinegar and rice oil in this recipe. Close the lid and shake well to combine. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Mash the potatoes in a bowl. Add the mixed vegetables, pour in the dressing, and mix well. Place the bread slices on a flat surface. Spread mustard on both slices. Add a generous amount of potato salad to one slice. Top with the second slice of bread. Cut the sandwich in half and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this easy and tasty potato salad sandwich. Japanese cuisine offers many healthy and simple vegan side dishes that pair well with any meal. Here are some classic options. Gomae, blanched spinach tossed in a savory sesame dressing. Tsukemono, crisp cucumbers, daikon, or cabbage pickled in vinegar and salt. Tsunomono, a light, refreshing cucumber and seaweed salad. Kimpira gobo, thinly sliced burdock and carrot sauteed in a sweet savory sauce. Hijiki salad, a flavorful seaweed salad with carrots and soybeans. These dishes are simple to make and add variety to plant-based meals. Find more in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.